WhatsApp and video call. What is advantage of WhatsApp and video call? When you talk about the WhatsApp and video call, there are a number of things, and massively you can avail this opportunity you're all about, because WhatsApp is something you're unable to connect. If you're not learning something from your surrounding, you can have a trouble to ask from your teacher things. You have a WhatsApp number of your friends and family, you can easily get connect, and your social, emotional, and your mentally you can talk to people and get the video calls, message, share your documents. And nowadays it's used for email purpose, right? Rather than email, people used to there send me your CV to your WhatsApp, send me your document or requirement to a WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp has a voice feature, call, video call, sending music or MP3 music to there, share your contact numbers of other people like directories there, and they have a business WhatsApp also there. So digitally what you are in starting your digitally and use of this thing to get thing learned and done.